Look what I cross every morning to my workplace. These trees are full of birds. You guys can see that? Or maybe you cannot see it, but I can see it here. But you can hear it though. Do you hear it? Holy cow, there's gonna be like 1,000 birds out there. It's really cool. Really nice place to sit there and go sleep all day listening to all this bird chirping. So yeah, it's a really nice place to relax and chill. I know it's like a birding, it's like a bird season probably. They're trying to breed or something before the winter because it's fall right now. It's getting cold, and then probably yeah, they're trying to mate or something before the winter starts. So yeah, it's kind of right there. And then here, there's like this area called Toronto Music Garden. You can see all the notes there, the live notes. It's probably why they call it the Toronto Music Garden, because of the birds out there. So yeah, just wanna show you that really cool place. And then yeah, we'll just do another vlog someday, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.